Hey, welcome to the Blockhouse. This is our first official kind of video from this place. We tried to do some streams earlier, but the internet access was not kind to us. So I wanted to bring this to you as I'm a very heavy nerd at this point. I just got a knock on the door, and what should arrive whenever I go to greet them but this. Da-da-da. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the unboxing. I have not opened this yet, so all enthusiasm you will see will be real. And now let's just get this thing open. Breaking the scene, breaking the scene. A little bit about the box. It's kind of like your normal box that you get with Infinity. You have the some artwork here. It's the the normal artwork, and then on the back you have the more representative of the reality of what you'll get in the box. And then on each side you have your lineup of this is the Nomads. Flip it over here. You see all the goodness that the Pano will provide you with this battle box. It is a box of 2 players. Just can't wait to get open the box. Come on! That's what she said. No, wait. I'm so confused now. Oh. Alright, so let's come down here. Well, this is totally a real bookshelf, by the way. So in the box, ooh, it's even got stamps. By the way, would not mind having these stamps. They're pretty awesome, and I would address letters with them, just as a note. We have our awesome Pano and Nomad dice here. Little Pano and Nomad symbols on them. Let's get our real bookshelf here. I'm not even going to get into the models yet. The dice. Dear God, the dice! So let's see if I can show you the little, oops, wrong way. There we go, Pano, bam, on the dice. I'm looking for what number that would be. So it's number 1. The symbol is a 1, apparently. Awesome. Glad we got that sorted out. Looks like we have here this the Civi chick, the CSU, as she were. The limited edition figure included is the CSU Corporate Secretary Unit. So this chick runs around with old Mr. 012. Dun-dun-dun. Here she is in her blistered goodness of plastic wrap. Oh, here we go. What's this? This must be the terrain. It's like Christmas in July. It's like literally Christmas in July. Oh, sweet. It's like this terrain is one of those that just kind of fold out, which is freaking awesome. Let's see if we can put some of this stuff together. Nice. It comes all neatly assembled here with rubber bandness. Good quality cardstock, which is awesome. So bam, 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 bam. And now I freaking have a crate. I'm loving this. Alright, what else we have in here? Looks like we got, shit. Six containers. Awesome. What is this? Oh, fantastic. Instructions. Or if you didn't know how to fold plastic card. It's actually super simple. Okay, so here's a building. Make building. Look, almost halfway there. Alright. So we have 4 buildings. Ooh. Oh. Ah. So this is a nice touch. This is a really nice touch. This may end up just going on the wall here at the blockhouse. But we even have a playmat here. So by the judge of this, assuming we can get to the book, our play area is going to be this big, which is phenomenal. I'm really digging this. This is awesome. But I can't wait to get to the models. Ooh. Oh, thank you, CB. So, we actually have punch-out tokens. So, more of that scissor stuff. We even give you a nice smoke template here. Ooh. I wonder what this is. I'll find out in a minute. This little ruler here. Dun, dun, dun. All right. So the substantial, it's like introductory rule book. Let's just read through it together. Wasn't that fantastic? Wait. It has the Spanish version also. Just me learn some Spanish. Playing a little tabletop gaming. Now the models. Da, 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 da. Holy shit. Okay. So yeah. Very impressive. I think I know what the rest of my day will consist of. This nice lady here. We cleaning her up. Got the Reverend Healer. The line infantry dudes look phenomenal. Wow. This Nomad box is amazing. This would be our heavy infantry for the battle box. Bam! Can't really see it. We'll do another one once we get these guys assembled, which may be later today. Okay, what's next? The Pano models. I think this guy is called the Father Knight. And quite impressive. So, very substantial Father Knight here. Let's take him out of the plastic. Get his little pano horns all hooked in. Hang on. I like it. That's good. So, here's your Father Knight. Come on, zoom in. For my face, we'll zoom. Watch this. Bam, zoom. So he's standing on a gecko shoulder pad. That's hilarity. Ha ha ha. Okay. This is excitement overwhelming. I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing. Now I'm gonna cruise through this here. Spanish, await English rulebook, and see what the hell is in here. Man. Okay, so this is fun. I like that. I approve of this message. And that is all.